This is a Makerspace camera. There may be some differences, but generally the cameras at every Makerspace are very similar. When starting work with the camera, make sure that a fully charged battery and an empty memory card are inserted into the bottom of the camera. This is how to set up and place the camera on a tripod if you need to. Again, tripods differ slightly, but are very similar. Power the camera on with the switch on the top right. It's wise to start by formatting the memory card. Access the camera menu, then the Format Card option. A progress bar will show you the state of the formatting. This shouldn't take more than a few seconds. In most situations, this lens selector switch should be set to AF, or autofocus. Switch to manual focus by sliding it to MF. When in manual focus mode, the frontmost ring on the lens barrel controls the focus. To zoom, rotate the main portion of the lens barrel. The front of the lens will extend or contract as shown. To switch to video mode, use the shooting mode selector dial to select the video camera symbol. To begin recording video, press the Live View button with the red record dot printed near it. Access the Settings menu to change the video size and frame rate setting. To review footage, press the button with a small play symbol on it. To transfer your images or video to a computer, first remove the camera from the tripod, and then remove the tripod shoe from the camera. Open the door on the bottom of the camera body to remove the memory card. The back of each iMac has an SD card slot for accessing the files. Please be sure to copy your data to your own storage device, as the Makerspace iMacs remove all user data at the end of each session.